Right now, you believe you are experiencing the world, the light hitting your eyes, the sound reaching your ears, the chair beneath you. All of it feels immediate, direct, real, like the universe is streaming straight into your mind and you are simply watching it arrive. But that is not what is happening. Your brain has never once experienced the present moment. What you call reality is not a live feed, it is a forecast, a best guess, a model your brain constructed a fraction of a second ago and is now playing back to you as if it were happening right now. You are not watching the world. You are watching your brain's prediction of the world. Here is the problem your brain has to solve. Signals from your eyes travel down the optic nerve and arrive at the visual cortex at the back of your skull. That journey takes time. By the time any sensory signal reaches the parts of your brain that make sense of it, the moment it came from is already gone. If your brain waited for all of that before building a picture of the world, you would be perpetually behind. Evolution does not reward delay. So your brain found a different solution. It stopped waiting. Instead, your brain runs a continuous simulation of what the world is probably like right now based on everything it has ever learned. It generates a prediction, sends it downward toward the sensory areas, and uses the incoming signals not to build reality from scratch, but simply to correct the prediction where it is wrong. The neuroscientist Karl Friston at University College London calls this the free energy principle. Your brain is constantly trying to minimize the gap between what it predicted and what actually arrived. The prediction is the reality your brain serves to you. The sensory data is just the error signal keeping it honest. Andy Clark, a cognitive scientist at the University of Edinburgh, calls the brain a prediction machine. In his book Surfing Uncertainty, he argues that perception, thought, and even consciousness itself are byproducts of the brain's endless effort to stay one step ahead of reality. The brain does not passively receive the world, it actively constructs it. This is why optical illusions work. When your brain sees a line that appears to bend when it doesn't, it is not making a mistake. The prediction, built from a lifetime of experience, says the line should bend. The actual sensory data says it doesn't, and the prediction wins. Your brain trusts its model of the world more than it trusts your eyes. Anil Seth, a neuroscientist at the University of Sussex, calls conscious experience a controlled hallucination. Your brain is hallucinating all the time. Reality just keeps the hallucination calibrated. When that calibration fails, then in fever and psychosis in certain drug states, the hallucination runs unchecked. Your experience stops matching the world, not because your brain is broken, but because the error correction signal has been cut. Your normal waking experience and a hallucination are the same process. The only difference is accuracy. Now think about what this means for the people you know best. When you look at someone you love, you are not seeing them. You are seeing your brain's prediction of them, updated by the light currently bouncing off their face. If they change slowly over time, your prediction may not update fast enough. You may be seeing a version of them that no longer exists. And if your brain is a prediction machine, if everything you experience is a model, a forecast, a controlled guess, then your sense of yourself is a prediction too. The feeling of being you in this body with these thoughts is also a construct. Your brain predicts a continuous self the same way it predicts a continuous world, and it stitches the seam so perfectly you never notice it is there. Right now, you believe you are experiencing the world. What you are actually experiencing is your brain's best guess about what the world was a moment ago, rendered so convincingly it feels like now. That guess has kept your species alive for hundreds of thousands of years. But it is still a guess, and reality has never once waited for your brain to catch up.